with no man from Brooklyn. Gun thing, me a tell you mad thing. No fronting, this flat bush and two first confronting. Better pray Brownsville man, no come thump him. 90s bun quick, with chopstick, crown.
What's going on, babes?
Babes, what are you doing here?
Come to shovel out the snow, a little snowstorm. I want to make sure you're safe and you get through. But it looked like somebody already shoveled out your whole
Obviously.
thing. And it looked like somebody cars in your driveway and it's cold. Like there was somebody staying.
Okay, Captain Obvious. Why you not home shoveling for your wife?
She got snow blower, bro. She got a portable one of them snow blower machine thing. She good. But look, babes, I noticed like a Timberland boot footprints just now, and it's that's like a size 11. That's not mine.
13.
13 what?
Size 13. The bigger the better.
That's a size 13. You got mine inside? 13 is what you like?
Clearly.
13?
The bigger the better. Why are you still here? Go home. I'm good.
I'm a size 9. This is 13?
That's unfortunate for you, isn't it? Yo, don't come back. Wow. You should slip. Mad.